How's everyone? Cody Williams here, and I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your sword. I'm sure we all know our one balloon sword. It's a staple. We all go to it. But I want to show you guys how quick and easy you can make something really amazing and really impress your friends, clients, yourself, a fun sword. We're going to start with a 360. Gray if you can find it, or whatever color you want the sword to be. First you need to blow it up. So we're going to blow this one up all of the way. Now before you tie it off. Now, if you want a really long sword, leave it as is. If you want a little more structurally sound, a little better for fighting, come in, give it a little twist, let it go, and tie this guy off. This just makes the sword a little more structurally sound when we're done and a little more practical that we can actually use. Now we're gonna blow up a 260, preferably reflex for that cool kind of pirate effect. Now we're gonna blow this one up, again, all of the way, which should be one exact pump. Perfect. Now, when we do this, we're gonna do a spiral. Now, there's no wrong way to spiral a balloon, but I wanna show you the way that I like to do it. It squeaks, at least for me, and it seems to be the fastest. Line up the balloon so it's right in half, find the center. Now, for me, my left hand is gonna do most of the work. My right hand is really just guiding it. So this hand is gonna make kind of like a paddle. It's gonna go right in the middle, like so. Now, don't grab the balloon on either side. Let it kind of paddle like so. My left hand is going to rotate it, stays open, and it just goes down it like so. Now you want to end so it's 1 inch on both sides. If you find that one side is being longer, change the angle of your hand, making that side wrap more so that it ends even, like so. We're gonna grab both at the same time, twist it, making 2 1-inch bubbles in the end of a relatively fast spiral. Take your 360, make a round bubble. Attach this to your 2 bubbles on your reflex. Now it can either be a gardening tool or something kind of Grim Reaper-y, or open up the end, no twisting needed, just open up the loop, feed it through. Now it's important when you do this, don't stop too early, it starts to get kind of stuck. Give it a nice steady pull until it begins to curve. Find where you like it right here. Now if you want to hide these dangly bits, you can either trim them or hold the nozzle and just wrap it in. It makes kind of a lazy ear twist. If you just want to hide your knots, grab the handle of the sword, grab the tip of the blade, do a quick dance, and it curves the blade where you want it to go. And this gives you a very fast, powerful pirate sword.